In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how one simple AI prompt can save you hours of time every single month categorizing all of your expenses or making sure that your money is going to the right place. What you could do is simply grab a banking statement here. This is either Excel. You could also use the PDF version, just kind of copy and paste it. And the reason why I made a prompt in the first place was because people inside of my personal finance community were struggling. They were spending a lot of time on this, especially ones that didn't have any sort of automated way to have their things categorized. So you take the data, you copy, and you paste it into AI of your choice. Please take these lists of transactions from my bank account or credit card, organize them into a simple table with the following headers: date in this format, the month, right? This is all the formatting. Provide a table for my income, anything increasing money in the account, and a separate table for my expenses, anything reducing the money in the account. I'm doing a 3-month look back, so it's important these are separated. Make sure the expenses show as a positive number for this exercise. For the category, do not give me multiple categories on any line item. It is your job to narrow it down to one category. Before I share the transactions, can you please confirm that you understand? So this is the prompt that's been working, saving people a bunch of time. And I had this little caveat like, confirm you understand. So you just kind of read through this. And I already went through this here, guys, just so I didn't waste time for AI to load all the stuff. So here's the data copied and pasted in already. And now it gives us the income and the expenses. So what I'm going to do is just copy and paste all these transactions really quickly, right click, copy. And then I have a template inside of my community, make it all nice for everyone. So date, month, amount, category, description, you just simply paste it in. And then voila, not only do you have all the transactions, but now you have everything categorized by category. And then from there, I have people do a 3-month look back of how they're finding all their money and where it's going and all these other things. And you guys let me know, was that quick enough for you? If you're interested in your personal finances, like saving more money, paying off debt, putting more money towards investing kids' future educations, I have a link to my personal finance community. It's going to be on the homepage of my YouTube channel, school.com/debt. Basically in here, what I'm doing is helping parents just like yourself find extra money in your finances, just like Kim did, found over $1,000. Kahisha found $1,300. Sandy found $1,200, and moving that money towards a more valuable asset. So instead of staying stuck every month, you're able to free up extra money and put it towards something valuable so that you can keep momentum in your personal finances. If that's interesting, I hope to see you in there soon.